When you're injured on the job, as a matter of law, you're entitled to workers' compensation benefits. That encompasses medical expenses associated with the injury, as well as a portion of your lost wages. If there's a third party or negligent party, and there's a lawsuit that arises from that same incident, then there's what's called a statutory right of recovery for the workers' compensation carrier. Now, the next question is the workers' compensation carrier entitled to all their money back that they pay out? And the answer to that is no. There are several nuances which only attorneys who are well-versed in this area of the law can inform a client on. However, important issues to understand are that as a matter of law, because you are paying your personal injury lawyer essentially 1/3 of the money that you receive, the workers' compensation carrier has to recognize that benefit and always has to reduce the workers' compensation lien by a minimum of 1/3 of the amount of money that they would otherwise be entitled to. You're also paying expenses on the personal injury lawsuit. The workers' compensation carrier needs to carry the burden of sharing in those expenses that you're absorbing at the end of the lawsuit. And in addition to those things, there are other factors that are considered as far as what an ongoing benefit would be that the workers' compensation carrier may otherwise be gaining as a result of receiving that money back. So there are many ways that a workers' compensation lien can be reduced. And if you do have a qualified attorney that really understands the ins and outs of how the lien process works, it can end up being an advantage to the client and increasing their bottom line at the end of a personal injury case.